Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create and sell digital files on Amazon. If you don't know yet, you can actually sell a digital file in Amazon. The only difference is that you will not be creating your listing through Amazon.com, but you're going to go to Amazon KDP, and that is where you'll be able to upload your digital file. Now, the digital file that I'm going to talk about today is going to be an ebook, and you can create whatever ebook you want to make, and you can sell it digitally and let your customer print it on their own if they want. And the digital book that I'm going to create today is going to be a coloring book. So in order to create that, you're going to want to go to Canva right here and start designing your book through there. But before you start creating your book, you're going to want to search for the regulation or the rules that you have to follow in order to sell books on Amazon KDP. So you can search for Amazon KDP coloring book, and they're going to give you the print options, and you can just use that as your own measurement, even though it says it's print options, but you can also use that for your ebook. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this one, and they're going to give us the details of the book as well as the trim size, etc. And it says here that the most common trim size for book in the US is 6 inches by 9 inches. But you can always take a look at these tables right here to measure your own book. So here are the trim sizes as well as the amount of paper. So the minimum paper is going to be 24 and the most is going to be 828 for the 5 by 8. And for today, I think I'm going to go with this 6 by 9 inches. I'm going to go back to my Canva, click create a design, custom size, change the units to inches, and it's going to be 6 for the width and then 9 for the height. Then I'm going to go ahead and click create design. And this is going to be my canvas. Now you can try and search for templates, for example, coloring book, and then start your design from there. Or if you already have some designs in your mind, you can always start it from blank. And I'm going to try and take a look at some of these templates and see if there are anything I can work with. Kind of like this one's right here. So it's a mermaid coloring book, but it's a little bit too complex. This dinosaur one is kind of cute. I think I'm gonna work with this one. So I'm gonna go with this for the first page, which is going to be the cover page. And I'm just gonna go at the page and add this one, or I'm just going to apply all 9 pages, and it's going to give me all of the coloring pages. And you can always change the dinosaur pictures if you want to. You can go to element and then search for some dinosaur and use it as your colors. So for example, you want to go with this one. I'm just going to do it on a new page. So I'm just going to add a new page. Then I'm going to copy on this outline as well as the one in the outer one. All right, and then I'm just going to adjust this. All right, so it looks like that. So I'm going to try to find something with an outline just so that I can erase the color. So you can go with the magic eraser and then you can just erase the color. So it does take quite some step in order to fully erase the color and leave with just the outline, or you can just download these pictures and then erase it through out of Photoshop. I think that is the easiest way. So obviously if you found any templates that you want, or if you're creating a book, try to create one as original as possible so that it doesn't seem like you are selling other people's design. And one of the way that you can do that is by adding some tags and any other elements. For today, I'm just going to stick with tags, and I'm just going to try to find some text that will match my coloring book. I kind of like this font, so I'm gonna go with this. So I'll put it here as the name of the dinosaur. I'm just going to use one of the font, so this is going to be the one that I'm choosing. And then I'm also going to go to ChatGPT to try to find dinosaur's name. Obviously you're going to want to match the name to the pictures, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to slap the name on the design. So give me 25 dinosaur name. All right, so now I got the name. I'm gonna go back to here, and then I'm just going to duplicate this pages until I reach 25. So it's Control-C and then Control-V. And then once again, there you go, I got 25 pages. Now I'm gonna go and add this into all of my pages. All right, I got it all named. Now I'm gonna go apps. Then I'm gonna go to bulk create, enter data manually. Then I'm gonna add all of my dinosaur name. Then go ahead and click on done. Then click connect data on here. Click on continue, and then generate 25 design, which is the amount of the name that I put on that data. All right, now that I got my text added, I'm gonna go ahead and download this in the form of PDF. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on PDF standard and download this design. All right, now that I got my design downloaded, I can finally start and upload that ebook into my KDP. So what you want to do is you're going to go to Amazon KDP, create your profile, and then click on this create button right here. And here they're going to ask you about what kind of book you will want to create. Because this is going to be an ebook, I'm going to click on this Kindle ebook. So go ahead and click create ebook. And then here you're going to want to fill in all of the information, such as the book title, the subtitle, and then edition numbers, etc., as well as adding some description, publishing right, primary audience. So go ahead and fill that in for now. All right, once you're done, you can finally upload your design. So you can launch your own cover, or you can also create one from Kindle, but I'm just going to save my cover from the design. So I'm going to download it in PNG, but I'm just going to download the first page. All right, so go ahead and upload your cover. So they only accept JPG and TIFF only, so I will have to re-download it. Don't worry, you can always re-download it with different file types. So it's going to be JPG for me, and then only the first page. So I'm gonna wait till it's done, and then I'm gonna go and upload the manuscript while we're at it. So sometimes these kind of notification comes up, and you can continue with the PDF format if you want, or you can also download Kindle app that will allow you to convert your PDF into KPF. I'm just going to try to continue with PDF for now. All right, so it's processing now, and I'm going to upload the cover file while I'm at it. So I'm going to add this one, and once you're done, you can click save and continue, and then go to the pricing state. And that is going to be the last step, and you'll have to wait up to around 24 hours until Amazon KDP accept your book. and then you can start and selling it. And that's basically it. That is how you can create and sell digital file on Amazon. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.